Ginger is a root widely known and used as a spice in many countries worldwide. Originating from Southeast Asia, ginger has long been used for cooking and in traditional medicine, according to Everyday Health. While the leafy stem of the plant produces green and purple flowers, the root is commonly used as a spice and hearing aid. Appearing brown on the outside, the inside of the ginger root can be white, yellow, or red and is usually harvested by pulling the entire plant out of the ground. Once the root is cleaned and prepared, it can be eaten fresh, dried, or ground into a fine powder. Although ginger was once particularly popular in traditional Asian medicine, ancient writings reveal that ginger has had a long history of cultivation all over the world. From Rome to the Middle East, ginger has been used to reduce and relieve pain and inflammation, including joint pain, muscle aches, and cold and flu symptoms. Studies reveal amazing ways ginger helps during menstruation. In addition to joint and muscle pain, ginger may also help treat menstrual cramps. That's because ginger can help fight off inflammation by preventing your body's production of prostaglandins, a group of inflammatory chemicals that trigger muscle contractions in the uterus during menstruation. The production of prostaglandins is also associated with the onset of menstrual cramps. While further research is still needed, there is evidence to suggest that consuming ginger may be effective at treating menstrual pain. Ginger consumption is more effective at reducing menstrual pain than the placebo. And a 2014 study published in Phytotherapy Research found that ginger may help reduce the overall amount of menstrual blood among teenagers. The study's findings reveal that blood loss dramatically declined after participants consumed ginger for 3 consecutive menstrual cycles.